Pictures of WPS demonstration can make the slide more professional and appealing. We can also add effects to the pictures to make them cooler. Take this slide as an example. Select the inserted pictures, click the Pictures Tools tab at the top, then click Picture Effects before clicking More Picture Effects. Next, I'll demonstrate different effects one by one. 1. Shadow. Adding a shadow effect to the picture can make it more stereoscopic. Select the picture and click Shadow, where you can choose the style of shadow effect, including outer, inner, and perspective. We can also adjust the parameters of the effect, namely color, transparency, size, blur, distance, and angle. 2. Reflection. Click Reflection, and there are 4 parameters that can be adjusted. I won't demonstrate them one by one here because they show a similar effect with shadow. 3. Glow. Use glow effect, which can make the picture glow, thus beautifying it. There are 3 parameters here for us to adjust, namely color, size, and transparency. Among them, by adjusting the size, we can adjust the size of the halo of the glowing words. 4. 3D rotation. Select the picture and click 3D rotation in the pane on the right side of the screen. WPS here provides us with various presets, such as parallel, perspective, and oblique. Adjusting the rotation on the x-axis, y-axis, and z-axis of the 3-dimensional rotation effect visually shows a sense of space. You can click the 3D Format button to modify the depth. Then the picture really has thickness. In order to highlight the 3D effect, we can adjust its contour, material, and lighting. Have you learned how to set the picture effect?